Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today on this wonderful webinar section. This is Satya. This section is to provide you with complete information about web development. So let's begin the section with the topics that will be discussed. So we are going to discuss about the web development, web developer, and who is web designer, difference between them, and the web developer roadmap, front end developer skills, full stack skills, and back end developer skills. So, what's mean by web development? Basically, web development entails developing websites for internet or intranet hosting. Web development includes web designing, web content development, client-side server scripting, and network security configuration. So, people often get confused when it comes to using the terms web designer and web developer. Although they both work on web development, they work on very different aspects. Web developer create the core structure of a website and using a coding language, while designer are more visually creative, focusing on the user. We will discuss some of the key differences between the two in the following sequences. So, generally speaking, web developer is a programmer who specializes in creating worldwide web applications using the client server model. Also, they are responsible for designing, coding, and modifying websites from layout to function and according to the client specification. There are usually only a few languages that web developer focus on. You may choose to focus either on front end of a site by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or on the server side by making use of PHP, Java, Ruby, and .NET. There are different job profiles for a web developer, such as front end web developer, back end web developer, full stack web developer. So, front end developer is known as client side development. So, as a part of designing process of a website, it involves coding all the public facing visuals and elements. Front-end developer often have to collaborate with web designers. They must have strong programming skills such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as they work with elements that are visible to that user. Backend refers to the layer of a website that is hidden from the user. They must have strong programming skill. The backend layer forms a dynamic connections between the front end and the database. A person must be familiar with at least one of the programming language, including Python, Java, PHP, SQL, C Sharp, Ruby, and be conversant in server-side frameworks such as Node.js. Full stack web developer understand how the web function at all levels, including setting up and configuring Linux or Windows servers, writing server-side APIs, running client-side application using JavaScript, operating data system databases, and designing pages with CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. We all learned who is web developer. Now we'll explore who is web designer and what the job roles are. Web designer creates layouts that are visually pleasing for visitors, designers. So, designers are usually to ensure that visitors stay on a site for longer. Website designer analyze the latest trends in web design, respect design principles, follows what user expect, so so on. There are different job profiles for the web designer, such as UI and UX. User interface designers are one who deals with user interactions, ensure that user can interact with elements on the website. The user interface is everything that a website visitor sees during their visit to the site, and it has to be designed so that it fits the user expected overflow. User experience designer ensure that your website retains visitors. Data is analyzed before a website design is finalized. UX designer also run complex tests and restructure website when necessary to keep the user experience optimal. So now let's find out difference in the roles between the developer and the designer. Web developer built the user interface using HTML, CSS, JavaScript language, while web designer use software tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Primer, and Sketch to build the final layout design of the website. Front-end developer can use styling preprocessor, JavaScript libraries, and frameworks to fasten development. Designer must have good skill in graphic design and logo design. Front-end developer provide the markup design to back-end developer to implement a dynamic website. A designer should have a good feel for user experience to identify the simplest approach possible to attain the desired function. Backend developer create the backbone of the website using languages such as PHP and MySQL. Web designer must keep themselves up to date with the latest design trends. Web developer also use versioning tools to keep a history of a previous builds to quickly and effortlessly move back to a previous version. The designer also need to keep in mind the branding of the website, color palettes to be used, and the typography and readability of a website. So let's move on to the web developer roadmap. The majority of people are unclear about where and how to start and what skills they should learn. Following is roadmap that will provide you with insight into a step you need to take to start your developer career. So the first thing is bachelor's degree. The first step is to get a bachelor's degree in computer science. Once you have completed your graduation, you can master the important skills required to become a front end or a back end or a full stack developer. So let's move on to the front end technical skills. HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's a foundation of all websites. It's a main file type that is loaded in your browser when you look at a website. CSS, cascading style sheet, is used for styling the HTML elements. It provides thousands of styling functions that are used to style the HTML elements. JavaScript. This programming language allows you to interact with elements on the website and to manipulate them. While CSS adds style to HTML, JavaScript adds interactive and makes a website more dynamic. And is a responsive design. One major role of front-end developer is to understand the responsive design principle and how to implement them on coding side. It is a part of a CSS framework like Bootstrap. Building tools. The modern web browser come equipped with developer tools for testing and debugging. These tools allows you to test the web pages in the browser itself and find out how the page is interpreting the code. Browser developer tools usually consist of an inspector and a JavaScript console. Version control or Git. Version control is a process of tracking and controlling changes to your source code so that you don't have to start from the beginning if anything goes wrong. CSS and JavaScript framework are collection of CSS and or JS files that perform different tasks by providing common functionalities. Some of the popular frameworks are jQuery, Angular, React, etc. So, next is a backend technical skill. Python is an open source object oriented programming language. It has become one of the favorite language for of most software and web developers. Next is Java is an open source high level language that was released by Sun Microsystem in 1996. It follows the right ones run anywhere approach that makes it compatible to run on any platform. So next is PHP is an open source server-side scripting language used to develop the backend logic of an application. It is powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive websites. The next one is Node.js. Node.js is an open source JavaScript framework used specifically for creating backend or the server side of application. Though Node.js JavaScript can now finally run on the server side of the web. So the next is an full stack web developer technical skills. Is a combination of front end and back end. So here are the some of the basic things you want to remember when you are setting up your career in full stack. So, an in depth understanding of working with system infrastructure, web architecture, and communication protocol like HTTP, TCP, or IP, etc. Skilled in working with deployment operating system like Ubuntu, Windows. Understanding the function of a web server such as Apache and so on. Basic designing ability like UI, UX designing. Proficiency in web front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Design and develop the UI using web development framework and libraries like jQuery, React, AngularJS, etc. A good understanding of server-side languages such as Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, and server-side framework like Node.js. Well versed in operating and querying relational and NoSQL database management systems such as SQL, MySQL, so on. Operating and managing version control systems such as Git and subversions, etc. So these are the things you have to keep in mind when you are setting up your career in full stack. So hopefully all of you have a clear understanding of what web development is. So let me, as a user's experience, I'll use a comments. I'm just going to explain this in Tamil once again. So வெப் டெவலப்மெண்ட்னா உண்மையே கிடையாது. அதில் வந்து 3 பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட், ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் டெவலப்பர், பேக் அண்ட் டெவலப்பர், ஃபுல் ஸ்டாக் டெவலப்பர். ஸோ ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் டெவலப்பருக்கு நீங்கள் ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் டெவலப்பராக உங்கள் கெரியரை நீங்கள் செட் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா HTML, CSS, JavaScript போதும். ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் பிகினர்ஸ். இது வந்து சும்மா பிகினர்ஸ்க்கு சொல்கிறேன். HTML, CSS, JavaScript பிகினராக இந்த மூணையும் முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறமா நீங்கள் CSS அண்ட் JavaScriptல வந்து ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் ஒர்க் அண்ட் ஒரு லைப்ரரி வந்து உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். நீங்கள் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சப்போஸ் நீங்கள் ஏதாவது ஒரு கம்பெனியில் நீங்கள் பிளேஸ் ஆகுறீங்க அப்படின்னா அங்கே போய் உங்களால் மறுபடியும் ஒரு எப்படி சொல்கிறது, ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் ஒர்க்கோ ஒரு லைப்ரரியோ உங்களால் கற்றுக்கிறது அளவுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு டேலண்ட்டை வளர்த்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ பேக் எண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. HTML, CSS, JavaScripட்டும் இருக்கணும். அது போக பைத்தான், AngularJS, இந்த மாதிரி ரூபி, இந்த மாதிரி இதுவும் இருக்கணும். ஃப்ரண்ட் எண்டுங்கிறது வந்து நீங்கள் முன்னாடி வெப்சைட்டில் என்ன நீங்கள் போடணும்னே பார்க்குறீங்களோ அதுதான் வந்து வெப்சைட். பேக் எண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாமல் பின்னாடி என்னெல்லாம் வேலை நடக்குதோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து பேக் எண்ட். ஸோ ஃபுல் ஸ்டாக் டெவலப்பராக ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கும்போது ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் பேக் எண்ட் ரெண்டுமே கலந்தது. டேட்டாபேஸ், வெர்ஷன் கண்ட்ரோல். நீங்கள் வந்து இப்போ ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் டெவலப்பர் ஆகணும், பேக் அண்ட் டெவலப்பர் ஆகணும், இந்த மாதிரி வெப் டெவலப்பர் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கும் போதே நீங்கள் வந்து கிட்டுன்னு ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்து அதில் போய் நீங்கள் உங்களுக்குன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு வெர்ஷன் கண்ட்ரோல் அது அதில் போய் நீங்கள் நிறைய ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அதில் போய் தான் எல்லாருமே பண்ணுவாங்க. உங்களுக்கு வந்து நீங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் நீங்கள் பண்ண அவசியம் இல்லை. நீங்கள் ஒரு இது தப்பு பண்ணாலும் நீங்கள் சரி பண்ணிக்கலாம். மற்றபடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்து வரணும் அவசியம் கிடையாது. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து வெப் டெவலப்மெண்ட். ஸோ நீங்கள் ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் டெவலப்பராக போனாலும் உங்களுக்கு நிறையா ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. பட் வந்து ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் பேக் அண்ட் இந்த ரெண்டுக்கும் வந்து ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்டை விட பேக் அண்ட் ஃபுல் ஸ்டாக்கு தான் வந்து 2021 ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. So you can get your certificates by filling out the form given in the description. Also, many thanks to everyone for your patience. Best wishes.
Thank you everyone for patiently watching this video. You can get your certificates by filling the feedback form given in the description, which will be available for 72 hours. If this video is useful, share it with your circle and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for next webinar. Happy learning!